wanna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. There's magic coursing throughout my veins. I don't want it to stop. I feel invincible in every way. I'ma give it all I got. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. There's nothing like feeling alive.
It's your birthday.
There's nothing like feeling alive.
It's your birthday.
I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. All night.
If you go to Canada dream, I never got to know. I'm growing on the memories I like to be alone. If you go to spread your wings, and I never had to know. I never let around and on your own. I am all the things I know. I am all the things I know. Gotta think about it, gotta dream about it, gotta find a way to do the video. Gotta dream about it, gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel alright. Let's go down to various places I've never been. Ride on Sunset Boulevard with a top down for the scene. If you wanna join the ride, we'll be perfect on the screen. I never gave up on my California dreams. Now I am all the things I've done. Gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel Gotta think about it, gotta dream about it, gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel the love. about it, gotta dream about it, gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel good. Gotta think about it, gotta dream about it, things that make you feel good. Gotta think about it, gotta dream about it, gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel good.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. Open your heart, spend less time in your